Hello, welcome to EZ Eatery. My name is Angela, and today we're going to make a jambalaya. We're going to do it in the Ninja Foodi. And yes, I'm taking some cheaters because I am going to use Zatarain's. But we're going to doctor it up, and it's going to taste magnificent. It's going to taste like you've been making this like all day long in your kitchen. And I'm telling you, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Welcome in, come on. Let's start off by chopping up one small onion. Then let's chop up a bell pepper. And 2 ribs of a celery stalk. Now let's chop up some smoked sausage. And we're gonna need some chicken for this, so I just threw a couple chicken legs into the pressure cooker for 12 minutes, and here we are. We're just gonna go ahead and shred that up. You can totally just use whatever chicken that you want. All right, and then we have to keep some of our broth on reserve. 2.5 cups, as a matter of fact. Now let's warm up some oil in our saute feature on our foodie and drop in our vegetables. We'll mix those around for about 2-3 minutes until they get nice and pliable. Let's add in some garlic. Cook that for about a minute, and then we can add in our sausage. And then we just want to kind of sear that on both sides. Now we can add our chicken back to the pot, along with about 1 cup of our chicken broth. And we just want to go ahead and scrape all those little bits off the bottom. Now let's add in our imposter rotel. This is just chopped up tomatoes with green chilies. And mix it all up. I'm going to use the family size Zatarains. Add in the rest of our chicken broth, and everything will be listed for you in the description box below. We're just going to go ahead and kind of pat that rice in there, and then I was looking at it and I thought it needed a little more seasoning. So I added in some cumin, chili peppers, cayenne, and smoked paprika. Then we're just going to pat those spices right down in there. All right, let's put our pressure cooker lid on, turn the foodie on, and we'll just cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's wait for that pin to drop. We're gonna do a quick release. Here we go. Look at there. It is all done. All right, let's go ahead and fluff that rice up. And all of the jambalaya that I've had in the past have always had shrimp, so we're just going to add that in at the end. And it just only takes like 5 minutes, so we're just going to go ahead and close that up. 5 minutes later, there it is. Now my shrimp was already cooked for me. It had the tail on. It was deveined. It was deshelled, except for the tail. And there we go. It's all done. Let's go check it out and take a bite. And here comes my favorite part. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. It smells amazing. Okay, let me see. It's true. I took the tail off of them, by the way. And smoked sausage. Here you go. That bite's for you. Go ahead. You can have it. Okay, I'll take it for you. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so good. Seriously, if you like a little bit of spice, actually it has a little kick to it. It really does. I don't know if it's because of their seasonings or because we added some seasonings to it, but you know what? It tastes like you've been making it like all day. You would never know that this came from a box. Like seriously, that's like amazing to me. It's good. So just by adding a few simple ingredients to it, it tastes amazing. I'm telling you. You're going to want to check this one out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please give the video a thumbs up. That would make my heart so, so happy. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now. Enjoy this. It's so good. So good.